दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका फिर से हमारे इस नए YouTube वीडियो में। और आज आपको मिलाते हैं हमारे सेल्स फनल बिल्डर से। उनका नाम है क्रांति सिंह। चलिए उनसे सुनते हैं उनका एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन। तो भाई आपका स्वागत है हमारे इस नए YouTube वीडियो में।
Thank you so much, Abhinandan. Thanks for inviting me here. So basically, my name is Prantesh Singh. I'm from Lucknow. I help coaches, trainer, and consultants scale their businesses and by using Facebook ads and sales funnel. So that's my specialty that I help them to achieve bigger goals around their knowledge business. So that's what I do.
ऑल राइट, थैंक यू, अमेजिंग। सो अभी तो मैंने आपका जो देखा है, अभी कुछ दिन पहले आपने ट्रिप भी किया है बेंगलुरु जाके। तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप जो भी कर रहे हैं उससे आपका बिजनेस का ही प्रॉफिटेबल चल रहा है। तो मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि व्हाट इज सेल्स फनल बिल्डर, लाइक व्हाट इज दिस, ये क्या होता है?
Okay, sales. Okay. So basically, what happened is like, for example, I help coaches, trainers, and consultants. So basically, they do not have a big budget around like Amazon, Facebook, or Flipkart or something. Okay, so what we do is we plan a strategy. Okay, we plan a strategy that how you are going to sell your info or services around to your customer. So what we build is a process, a entry level process, how one customer will get down into ecosystem and how he is going to believe you, trust you, and make the final transaction to you. Because for example, I'm a coach and I want to sell my info products, but the audience do not know me, they do not know my results, they do not know my experience. Okay, so particularly I have to build that aura or build that ecosystem for myself, so that my audience get to know about me, they trust me, and they consume my content, and they feel that if I'm a right fit for them, they start investing on my courses and everything. So it's basically a process by which you can turn a stranger into a loyal customer. Okay, so we do it by digital marketing mediums. Yes.
ऑलराइट, तो आपका कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो एक स्ट्रेंजर है उसको हम कस्टमर कैसे बनाएं, उसको लॉयल कस्टमर कैसे बनाएं, उस स्ट्रेंजर से लेके उसे एक लॉयल कस्टमर बनाने की जो जर्नी होती है, जिस प्रोसेस से उसे ले जाया जाता है, उसे हम सेल्स फनल कहते हैं। इज दैट ट्रू?
Yes, yes, yes,
ऑलराइट,
yes.
तो भाई मेरा आपसे दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर कोई एक नॉर्मल पर्सन जो हमारी ऑडियंस है, हमें जो देख रही है, वो अगर सेल्स फनल के बारे में सीखना चाहती हैं कि वो कैसे स्टार्ट हो सकते हैं, वो चीजों को कैसे सीख सकते हैं सेल्स फनल के बारे में, तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Okay, so basically, if someone is learning sales funnel, how to build highly profitable sales funnel, so they can start with creating right offer, copywriting. Okay, and there are some technicalities that you need to go through, like building landing pages, integrating all the systems, and later part you have to drive traffic via some platform like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. So basically, what I use mostly is Facebook Ads. So I drive traffic to my sales funnel that I built for my clients, and people come in, people register for a freebie or a free offer or a like workshop, paid workshop, you can say, for 3 days, 5 days shop, where they get enough value and they understand about the like the potential the courses have. Okay, and they enroll in the upsell program. So there's a like level 1 program, level 2 program, level 3 program, and before enrolling into level 1 you have to give some for free. Okay, so that's how everything goes, and like it takes time to learn all these things, but eventually if you when you start implementing it, you will figure out everything. Okay, everything is on the internet, or if you want you can enroll in some other some courses. There are many good mentors out there.
ऑलराइट, ऑलराइट, तो ठीक है भाई। अभी जैसे कि आपने बताया कि अगर हम चाहें तो मेंटोर से भी सीख सकते हैं और यूट्यूब पे जो हमारे कंटेंट हम वहां से भी सीख सकते हैं। तो मतलब कि जो भी सारी डिजिटल चीजें हैं वो यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल हैं और हम चाहे तो उसे सीख सकते हैं। लेकिन ये एक टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है, ये थोड़ा टाइम लेता है और अपने से सीख सकते हैं दूसरे लेवल के लिए, जब तक कि हम इसे इम्प्लीमेंट ना करें। तो मान लीजिए ये सेल्स फनल हमने सीखा, तो इसकी क्या कोई कैटेगरी है कि हम किसी एक कैटेगरी में या फिर किसी एक पर्टिकुलर निश के लिए हम उस सेल्स फनल को सीखें, ऐसा कुछ है?
Yes, when you will start learning, you will learn the whole generalist point of view. You will learn about many things about the sales funnel. But when you start implementing it, start implementing for a particular industry. Okay, for example, I only help knowledge givers, those who are teachers, trainers, consultant, or coaches. I only help them. Okay. One can also help people like doctors and dentists. Okay, or people into the health, fitness. Okay, trainers. So you have to choose a particular industry and you have to analyze the whole market, like how other people are doing it, how other people are driving the traffic, and how what are the freebies they are giving, what are the lead magnets they are trying out. Okay, so you have to analyze the whole market. So I have like gone through for the coaches industry, and my area of interest is only this. Okay, so that's so you can choose your niche especially, and like research everything about it and start doing things for people like clients part.
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट। तो भाई मेरा ये एक क्वेश्चन, जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि हम किस कोच ट्रेनर्स को हेल्प करते हैं या फिर हेल्प कर सकते हैं अपने सेल्स फनल से, तो मेरा एक बेसिकली क्वेश्चन ये, जो हमारी ऑडियंस है जो हमें देख रही है, वो उनका भी एक क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि जब हम बोलते हैं कि हेल्प कर सकते हैं, तो वो एग्जैक्टली क्या आप मुझे एग्जांपल देके बता सकते हैं कि मान लीजिए मेरे पास एक डॉक्टर है, मेरे एक क्लाइंट है, वो डॉक्टर है, तो हम उनकी हेल्प कैसे कर सकते हैं अपने सेल्स फनल से?
ओके, सो भाई अगर हम एक डॉक्टर एग्जांपल लें तो हम उनके लिए हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं? सी, डॉक्टर कैन नॉट एडवर्टाइज लाइक इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लम कम टू मी, कम टू मी, कम टू मी, ठीक है, और वी कैन नॉट जनरेट। सो व्हाट शी कैन डू इज, she can what the doctor can do is they can conduct a webinar or something on a specific problem. They can talk about it. They can invite people who are going through the same problem. Okay, and they can give some free remedies. Okay, that if the problem is severe, you can directly consult to me, or if the problem is not severe, you can cure it yourself. Okay, so sales so in this way the audience will get to know about the doctor. Okay, and they will get to know about the result or the treatment that he has done over the previous past of year experiences. Okay, and this way the trust thing will build, and the audience will see that this doctor is the right fit for me, and he is genuine, he has produced some result, and if I have the problem, he has the right solution. I think he's the right doctor to treat me. Okay, so
Alright.
that's the way she can do it.
तो भाई मेरा एक अभी दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने ये कैसे स्टार्ट किया था और कैसे से प्रॉफिटेबल बनाया आपने?
Okay, so I started last year back in 2020 when the pandemic was gone. So in the starting मैं बहुत सारी चीजें कर रहा था. I used to do like website development. I started from starting developing website and all. Then I came back later into digital marketing. But when came into digital marketing, I was very बहुत नया था मैं, और मैं बहुत सारी चीजें ट्राई कर रहा था, ये भी कर लो वो भी कर लो, सब चीजें सीखी मैंने, बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी. But later I realized that I cannot be an expert in everything. Okay, so why not become an expert in something, in one thing, and scale it. Okay, so I started investing in multiple courses, because अगर मैं बहुत सारे कंटेंट ऐसे कंज्यूम करता यूट्यूब से, तो देयर वाज नो गाइडलाइन कि इसके बाद में क्या करना है, इसके बाद क्या करना है. ठीक है, तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जा रही थी, बट उसके बाद में इसको स्केलेबल कैसे बनाना है, प्रॉफिटेबल कैसे बनाना है, टीम कैसे बिल्ड करनी है, ठीक है, रेवेन्यू कैसे जनरेट करना है, बीइंग अ फ्रीलांसर स्टार्टिंग आउट, तो वो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था. तो फिर मैंने आई स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग इन पर्टिकुलर मेंटर्स. ओके, सो वहां पर जब मैंने उनको साथ में इन्वेस्टिंग के कोर्सेज कंज्यूम करे, then I got clarity about like how which type of audience should I serve. Okay, which type of market should I learn about. Okay, and then I got into all these things. I have specialized myself. I optimize all my profiles. I have optimized my work areas. I have built a sequence of work processes and all, that how this like whenever a new client comes, how we have to do things for them. So that's how it goes.
ऑल राइट। तो भाई मेरा जो अभी ओवरऑल द क्वेश्चन है कि आपने कैसे स्टार्ट किया, ये तो सारी चीजें हमने जान ली. मेरा एक अभी जो एक एक्सट्रीम क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन ये है कि ओवरऑल लाइक अगर आप पब्लिक को हमारे बताना चाहें, तो अभी तक आपने वो रेवेन्यू कितना जनरेट किया है?
So from like past 6 months, like I've been generating 6 figure every month. So like doing thing alone only. So you can easily generate like 6 figure income if you see. Like I've been doing things alone myself. Okay, right now for the last month I've been developing my team and making them learn all the things. Before that I've been doing all the things, and I can easily say like if you are into digital marketing and if you are like being a really expert in the field, you can easily make 6 figures. So couple of months back, like I hit my 6 figure in Indian rupees, not in USD. That will come later. Okay, so in Indian currency, I've hit my sixth figure and being a solopreneur. So that's a very big achievement for me. And then I like schedule my trip and all, like, buy some things and all. So that's how it's going on.
तो भाई अभी जैसे आपने मेंशन किया कि आप जो भी 6 फिगर का जो रेवेन्यू आपने किया है वो सोलोप्रेन्योर बीइंग सोलोप्रेन्योर, मतलब कि आपने अकेले ही 6 फिगर तक अपनी एजेंसी को स्केल किया, आपने जो अपना जो आप वर्क कर रहे हो उसको स्केल किया है, तो वो एक
Yes.
कैसे कर पाया आपने उस चीज को, लाइक आपने उसको कैसे स्केल किया अकेले?
See, अकेले बहुत टफ था, ठीक है. At a point of time, I feel that मुझे टीम चाहिए, ठीक है. Then I started investing in people and all. अकेले करने के लिए मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें सीखनी पड़ी, like copywriting, landing page design. So I'm a person with multiple skill set, because I told you, like, I started with multiple things. I was good at website design, but later, like previously, I was not good at copywriting. So like copywriting, landing page design, what the sales funnel is, how to make it profitable. I learned Facebook ads, how to launch most converting landing pages on Facebook ads. So like when I got into multiple skill set, so people are approaching me like, why didn't you do it for myself? Okay, so like in this way I got multiple type of projects. Okay, and I'm working on multiple projects and connecting with good number of people. So that's how I am able to scale. Okay, it was tough, but it's very overwhelming when when I hit my six figure being a solopreneur without any job or office. So that's awesome for me.
All right, so many congratulations to you कि आपने वो सारी चीजें अकेले करी हैं, लेकिन जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये है कि आपने उन सारे स्किल सेट्स को सीखा, आप मतलब एक के बाद एक सीखते चले गए, और उसके बाद फिर जो रिजल्ट्स थे वो आपके फेवर में आने लगे. तो भाई थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इंस्पायरिंग माय ऑडियंस, लाइक they are really I would say grateful to you that you shared your experience and knowledge. तो भाई अभी मेरा एक क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है, लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, कि आप मेरी ऑडियंस को क्या टिप देना चाहोगे?
Okay, okay. So I will like to give a piece of advice to all the people who are starting in the digital marketing field, because I guess your audience are like that way only. So if you're someone who are starting on digital marketing field and want to earn a good amount of income without any job or salary, so what you can do is choose a skill set like copywriting. For if you're starting, if you feel that like designing part is good, it's what tempting to me. If you think like writing content is tempting to me, if you feel like you are a good sales closer, sir, if you feel that you are a good communicator, okay, so leverage that. Learn all the mentors in that area from them. Do not just consume free content over the internet. Okay, invest in mentors which you feel that those are the ones who are producing more good result. Start investing yourself in multiple coaches and trainers, and then you will feel that after consuming all the information from them, you will feel the right fit for you, the information that is right for you. Build system around that, prioritize your services. So when I say prioritize your services, it means that you do not sell your services different for every person. Okay, you make a system in your services that for this type of services I charge this type of I charge this. If you feel that you're not getting client, so for you start working for free in the first for few clients, and then take testimonials, take feedback, build your portfolio, and then use that or leverage that for the other clients. So that's how you can start in the digital marketing industry. See, I have chosen sales and Facebook ads because this is what tempting to me. This is what area I'm interested about. I know about. I'm like I always search about. Okay, so think of those areas in which you want to grow, or which you like. Okay, so like for Abhinandan, he's a great communicator and everything. So he's exploring that area. I'm exploring that area. So whatever is tempting to you, do that. Okay, and eventually things will give it some time. Have some consistency. Have some perseverance, and then things will come towards you.
ऑलराइट, तो आपका कहने का
Yeah,
मतलब
that's
ये
it.
है कि जो आपको नेचुरली चीजें आती हैं आप उस पे ज्यादा फोकस करो, अपने स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉइंट पे ज्यादा फोकस करो, ताकि आप उसको मोनेटाइज भी कर सको इन फ्यूचर. तो थैंक यू सो मच भाई हमारी ऑडियंस को इंस्पायर करने के लिए, अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के लिए. और जितने भी लोग इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, मैं चाहूंगा कि आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल द टाइम, स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड विद अ स्माइलिंग फेस फॉरएवर.
Bye. Thanks, Abhinandan.